हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड. So today's topic of discussion is the difference between the prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell. This topic is very important whether you are in 9th standard or you are in 10th standard because it is a basic of biology. Within biology, we can categorize all the living organism as prokaryote and eukaryote. So let's just start with the video. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes. As the word itself says a lot about it, pro means primitive and karyo word is always related to nucleus. Wherever you find this word karyo, just make sure that there is something going on or there is a process which is related to nucleus. Okay, U means advance and karyo again means nucleus. As you can see in the diagram, I have drawn two cells, and in one cell there is the genetic material, that is the DNA, is scattered, or I must say there is no covering over the genetic material. But in eukaryotes there is a covering over the genetic material, and that covering is of the nuclear membrane, and this particular cell organelle is known as nucleus. And it is very important to note that nucleus is the largest cell organelle. In prokaryotes, another important significant feature is that there is no membrane bound structure. That is, there is no membrane bound structure like cell organelles or the nucleus, proper nucleus. They lack all the membrane bound structures. Only ribosomes. Ribosomes are the protein factory of the cell. Only ribosomes which are itself non-membrane bound. Ribosomes don't have a membrane over their surface. That's the only reason they are present in prokaryotes. And in eukaryotes, all the membrane bound cell organelles are present. Here in this video, MB stands for membrane bound